In this at-home science adventure, a DIY Rainstick reveals how sound travels by filling a cardboard tube with beads and sealing both ends. Materials include a sturdy tube, dried beans, decorative tape, scissors, and adult supervision. The science shows beads create rhythmic pulses as they fall, producing tones that change with tube length and internal obstructions. Steps are simple. Drop beads into the tube, seal, decorate, and gently tilt to hear the evolving melody. Safety reminders cover careful tool use, secure seals, and supervising younger scientists to keep a curious, yet safe, sonic experiment.